Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are out in the warehouse, and today we're going to talk about the Intermatic blower. This one is a 2 horsepower, 240 volt. So if I pull this guy out here, you can see how nice and big this is. This is actually an insulated blower, so it's going to be a little bit quieter than those other blowers that you may have on your equipment now. Blowers are used for hooking up to your spa jets or any therapies you have, even if they're in your pool. You hook them up to an air line. They inject air, and that's what adds to the therapy or jet volume going into your pool. So you don't only just get the motor itself, you also get a little check valve. This prevents water from going back up into the blower. It goes on the bottom here. And with the Intermatic ones, you just add a coupler, and then you have your standard 2-inch pipe that goes down to your air line. And this thing works great. It's a lot quieter than other blowers out there. We have plenty in stock at our warehouse here at Bell and I-17. Or you can check out ePoolSupply.com where we have these available as well. So look forward to seeing you guys. Hopefully I'll see you down at the shop. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.